Hi, Jerry Bielefeld with Worker Safety Shoes. Today I'm going to show you how to apply Cowboy Up, which is a saddle soap that is going to clean, soften, and preserve the leather on your boots. Always be sure to read the directions on the labels because these do have chemicals, so be sure you do follow the directions. With this product, you are going to take a damp sponge and you're going to work this into a lather in circular motions on the boot. And you want to apply a good amount on the boot because it is going to really soften the leather. So after you get it on, you're just going to wipe off the excess. You're going to allow it to dry, and then you're going to take a clean cloth and buff it, and you'll see a major difference in your leather.